My name is Elizabeth Smith and I play Sarah Daniels in Chronicles of the Dead. I knew Danny from a long time ago and I was in a show that John directed, and through John I met Monica, and then they asked if I wanted to help and I said yeah! Sarah is a fun character. She's different from what I've normally been cast for. You don't know very much about her in the first episode or the first season. She's kind of quiet, she's a motherly type, very emotional, very deep. There's a lot more to Sarah under the surface. This process has been really fun. Getting to hang out with my friends and do stuff that we love, that's exciting and fun. Everybody's really cool, except for Danny.
It's kind of a pain in the ass.
Please like and subscribe to our channel and make sure you keep watching and for updates, and can't wait till the fall so you get to see it all. Kidding, Danny, you know I love you.